Paris studio apartment storage secrets, aesthetics without sacrificing function. Welcome to the world of Parisian studios, where every inch tells a story. While some see a cramped room, we see a canvas for history. Living small doesn't mean living less. It's about choosing what truly matters and wrapping it in timeless, soulful French elegance. The French philosophy, beauty as a necessity. French designers taught us that beauty isn't a luxury. It's essential for the soul. In a tiny apartment, furniture must work twice as hard. We don't just store items, we curate them. Every piece of storage should be as stunning as the treasures it holds safely inside. The mighty Armoire, the vertical secret. Look up. In Paris, we embrace the height of the walls. A tall, weathered armoire isn't just a closet. It's a majestic anchor for the room. It hides modern clutter, like printers or cables, behind hand-carved oak doors, maintaining that vintage charm we all adore so much. Multifunctional treasures, furniture that whispers. Why have a plain coffee table when an antique leather trunk offers a secret? Use it to store linens or seasonal clothes. By choosing pieces with a past, your storage becomes a conversation starter, proving that functionality can coexist beautifully with a storied, lived-in aesthetic. The art of hidden shelving, carving out possibility. Parisian apartments often have quirky nooks and shallow alcoves. Instead of ignoring them, we turn them into open libraries. Line them with gold-leafed frames or delicate ceramics. This isn't just storage. It's an intentional display of your personality, making the cramped feel wonderfully cozy instead. Practicality meets grace, managing the daily dust. Many ask, what about the dust? The secret lies in beautiful glass cloches or vintage hat boxes. These containers protect your delicate trinkets while adding a layer of visual texture. It's a practical solution that feels like a decorative choice, keeping your space pristine and polished. Illuminating the nooks, lighting for depth. Proper lighting can make storage feel intentional, not cluttered. A small brass lamp tucked into a shelf adds warmth and depth. It draws the eye to your curated collections, ensuring the small space feels expansive and inviting rather than closed in or overwhelming to the senses. softening the edges, the power of textiles. Sometimes, the best storage is a simple linen curtain. Use it to hide utility areas or open shelving. This adds a soft, romantic touch reminiscent of a French countryside cottage, bringing a human, tactile element to the room that hard plastic bins simply cannot provide. Curating the collection, living with less, better. In my opinion, true Parisian style is about restraint. To keep a small space functional, we must edit. If an item doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy, it has no place. Quality over quantity ensures your home remains a sanctuary, not just a crowded storeroom. Conclusion, your stylish sanctuary. Creating a functional, vintage-inspired studio is a journey of love. It's about honoring the past while navigating the present. Remember, your space is a reflection of you. With these secrets, your compact home will always feel like a grand, stylish retreat. Happy decorating, my friends.
Mm-hmm.